Tesla FSD upcoming Australia release, seemingly teased by media. New videos from Australia have fueled speculations that Tesla's full self-driving FSD will be rolling out in the country soon. The videos, which were shared widely on social media, showed Tesla's navigating lane changes, slowing for traffic, and handling curves without driver input, but still with active supervision. New FSD footage. One video, posted by lifestyle outlet Man of Many and narrated by journalist Ben McKim, highlighted how quickly the system responded to real-world conditions. McKim seemed quite impressed with FSD's performance, stating that the vehicle performs maneuvers much like a human driver. Another video, which featured reporter Danielle Collin, featured a Tesla operating on public roads using its FSD supervised system. Similar to McKim, Collin seemed very impressed with the capabilities of FSD, as the vehicle was reacting to things like stop signs on its own. Is someone going to lose their media privileges? Tesla will launch FSD supervised in Australia on Friday, August 29th. The rollout will be on version 13, potentially limited to HW4 vehicles at first. This marks the first time FSD will be operational in a RHD country. No regulatory barriers. This isn't the first time the software has been seen on Australian roads. Earlier this year, Tesla released a clip of a Model 3 driving through Melbourne's central business district with no visible driver input. A second video later surfaced from Sydney, reinforcing expectations that Australia could be among the first right-hand drive markets to receive access. According to Tesla's Australian website, FSD Supervised uses 360-degree camera visibility to manage blind spots, execute lane changes, and maintain awareness of surrounding vehicles, cyclists, and motorcycles. While Tesla notes that constant human oversight is still required for now, FSD is designed to handle city intersections, multi-lane highways, and traffic signals. In an earlier statement, Tesla Country Director Tom Drew previously confirmed there were no blockers in Australia for a supervised release of FSD, similar to North America. It's something our business is working on releasing, Drew said, though he did not provide a timeline. Source, reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.